Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a stable workspace and consistent lighting for your shoot. Place your camera on a sturdy tripod and lock all movement. Use manual exposure, manual focus, and manual white balance to keep frames identical. Choose a background and mark positions for props to prevent drift between frames. Plan your timeline ahead of time and decide on a target frame rate like 12 FPS. Gather props, tools, and a remote shutter or capture app to avoid touching the camera. Begin shooting by moving your subject in small, consistent increments between frames. Aim for 1 to 3 millimeters of motion per frame, depending on scale and speed. Capture with a remote trigger or tethered capture app to avoid touching the camera. Check composition after every 10 to 20 frames to ensure alignment. If you want smoother motion, plan for 24 FPS and twice the frames. Keep a shot log noting frame numbers, actions, and any exposure changes for easier editing later. Transfer your captured image sequence to your Mac and import into Imovie. Set each still duration so the sequence plays at your chosen frame rate like 12 FPS or 24 FPS. Arrange clips on the timeline, trim excess frames, and use cross-dissolve sparingly for subtle motion. Add sound effects and a music track with volume ducking under narration. Stabilize only if necessary to preserve frame edges. Export at 1080p or 4K using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.